Right, so suppose you've got a set of data and you want to produce a graph of that. So the best way to do this would be to simply select your data, then go to Insert, and you've got various different types of graphs and charts. I would select this one here, which is your scatter with lines and markers for S1 and S2. If you're doing S4 or 5, definitely use the scatter graph and so on. But we'll use this just now. Now, we're going to add a few elements. We're not finished yet. So having got your chart design highlighted, you've got add chart elements, and we're going to add axis titles to the horizontal and to the vertical. We're also going to add the grid lines, the minor grid lines to the horizontal and the vertical. It does make a difference, and you can read the data better. You can make the graph as big as you wish, of course. Now, your axis labels should be the same as your results table. So time a minute is going to go along your x-axis, of course. So Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it is the easiest way. Instead, it saves you typing it again. So Control Z here, highlight it here, and Control V, and that's you got your graph. Okay, well, I hope that helps you.